Hello students, welcome to AllCBTs today. My name is David. In today's video, I want to prepare you for your upcoming Common Entrance exam. So this is the basic exam for all basic pupils and all primary school students. These are simple questions, but to you they may be a little bit difficult. So I would help you in the most simplest way to solve out these questions so that when you see them in any exam you come across, all through your basic school, you will have no issue solving them at all. If you are an older person or you're a younger person watching this video and you have a friend, a brother who is writing the common entrance exam soon or the basic school exam soon, why not share this link, the link of the video, to them? If you don't know how to do so, you can ask an older person to help you, and I'm sure they will be able to assist you with that. Are you ready for this interesting class? Sit down, don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. Welcome back. So because we have 40 questions, which will be quite a long time to solve these 40 questions, we're going to break this video into two parts. So I'll take 20 questions first, then we're going to go on a pause and I'll come back to take the remaining 20 questions. Then I'll attach both videos together so that you can watch for the whole thing. Are you ready for this? Question 1. What is the value of 48 divided by 6? Simply put, 48 divided by 6. So you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 until you get to 28. You make strokes, or you can use your fingers. This should be a very simple one for you. Whichever one you choose to do, whether you choose to make strokes in counting and divide by 6, or you choose to use your fingers, or you choose to use your multiplication table, you'll find out that 48 divided by 6. Okay, let me just try something. Okay, so whichever way you choose to do this, at the end of the day, you will get 8. You can decide to make strokes. Okay, right. I don't want us to spend too long on this because I'm sure this one is very easy for you. So we are starting with the very easy ones. Then question 2. Find the sum of 345 and 279. You were taught this in 3-level additions, right? So you have 345 and you have 279. This is your units, your tens, and your hundreds, right? So you've been taught that when you are adding, you start from behind. So let's go. 5 plus 9. You have 14. You have 14. So you put 4 here, and then you bring the 1 here. 4 plus 7, 11, right? With 1, 2. Then you have 1 again, because that's 12. 4 plus 7, 11. With 1, 12. So you have 2, just like we did here. You bring 1 here. 1 plus 3, 4. Plus 2, 6. So our answer is 624. Question 3. What is 25% of 200? Now, whenever you see percentage means 100, right? So 25% means 25 cut out of 100, 25 portion of 100. So how do we do that? 25% is simply 25 times 100, simple, okay? Or if you like, if you want to make this to look way better, we can say 25 over 100. I think this is the better way to put it. So 25 over 100, that's 25 parts in 100. It's like you count, you make strokes, okay? So 100, and you remove a part, okay? And that part is 25, right? So what is 25 of 100? 25% of 200. Now, 25 over 100 of, in mathematics or quantitative reasoning, always mean times. So 25 over 100 times 200. When you see this question, this is what you do. Exactly this. I'm giving you the simplest way So 25% of 200 means 25 over 100 of its multiplication times 200. 25 times 200, right? Do you want to
Get the cheapest science materials from allschoollabs.com.
do that? 200 times 25. By the time you do your calculation, 0, 0, 10, 10, that's 1000, 004, right? That's what? 5,000. So that will be 5,000 over 100. Then 0 cancel 0, 0 cancel 0. What do you have? 50. 50 over 1 is the same thing as 50. Question 4. A trader bought a book for 450 and sold it for 500. What is his profit? So cost price, let's say cost price, CP. He bought it for what? 450. Selling price, SP. Sold it for what? 500. Want to know, did he make profit or loss? First of all, he made profit because he bought it at 450 and sold for 500. So he made profit of how much now? That's the next question. So to know our profit, you say SP, the selling price, minus the cost price, the amount he bought it. So he sold it for 500, he bought it for 450, he made a profit P, because to P is profit of what? 50 naira. So made a profit of 50 naira. Question 5. Express 0.75 as a fraction in its simplest form. This is instruction. In its simplest form. So 0.75. What form is it right now? That's the first class work I have for you. What form is it right now? Let me know in the comment section. Alright, so express 0.75 as a fraction in its simplest form. Now, the simplest way to also do this is you count how many digits are there. 1, 2, 3. In this decimal, we have 3 digits decimal number. So now you have to put it in the 100 place. So because there are 3 digits, so those 3 digits will stand for unit, tens, and 100, right? So we need an equal number of denomination to match with the numerator so that we can come about dividing it properly. So in order to have that, you have 100 here, right? So since we have 100 here, we can as well call this 75 over 100. Okay, we don't need to have our 0 point anymore because we've added 100 here. Are you still there? Because I added 100 here, I don't need to put 0 point anymore, because through this, with these 2 0, I have moved my points to the back of 5. So 0 point is not there, it's no longer a decimal number. Okay, you've not gotten it. Yeah. All right, so now we can now divide. So we now have whole numbers. Now we have our fraction here. So we've satisfied this part of the question. We've expressed this as a fraction. This is it. Now the second part of the question now says in its simplest form, meaning that we should divide it to its lowest. So what can go here and go here? Simple number. Let's use 5. So 5 will go here 25 times. 5 will go here. No, 5 will go here 15 times. Rather, 15 times. 5 will go in some 15 times. 5 will go in 120 times. Looks like 5 can still go. So 5 will go here 3 times and 5 will go here 4 times. So you can see. Can any number still divide without changing it to decimal again? No. So we are going to leave our number this way because this is the lowest, or if you like, the simplest form. Now if you've watched on to question 5 and you are enjoying this video, you know you can see more subjects as this in the channel. You can see maths, English, national values education, basic science and technology. They are loaded in the channel. We have tens and tens of such videos as this in the channel, right? So make sure you click the subscribe button and subscribe, and then get yourself access to all those videos and begin to watch for free. Then after you've watch enough videos, you can also download the app on your phone whereby you can practice these questions that you are watching now for free. All right, how good is that? Then let me know if you are enjoying this class. Quickly type in the comment section, I am enjoying this class. Also, if you have questions, add that to your comment. Let's move on. Question 6. What is the next number in the sequence? Okay, what's the next number in the sequence? What's the sequence? 3, 6, 9, 12. So it's a sequence. You can see it's like step. It's like steps. So you are moving upward on the step. Now the first number is 3, the next number is 6, the next number is 9, the next number is 12. What do you see as the difference in each number? You can see an addition of 3, right? Will I be wrong to say there is an addition of 3? No, there is 3 between 6 and 3. There is 3 between 9 and 6. There is 3 between 3, 12 and 9. So sensibly, or it's logical to believe also that the next number will be what? 15, because there will be 3 between 12 and that number, and that gives us option B. Question 7. If a pencil costs 15 naira, one pencil costs 15 naira, how much will 8 pencil cost? So one pencil is 15 naira. So 8 pencils will be what? 8 pencils will be what? So you can say 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15. That's 4 pencils, right? 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15. And you add it all together. But the simplest and the easiest way is just to say 15 times 8. The cost of one pencil multiplied by the number of pencils. And that will give you what? 15 times 8. Let's do that quickly. You have 0, 4, 120. So 8 pencils will cost 120 naira. Good. Question 8 now. Simplify 7 times 9 minus 12. This is a simple one as well. So 7 times 9. And do 7 times 1, 7. 7 times 2, 14. 7 times 3, 21. 7 times 9 will give us what? Okay, that should give us like 63, right? 63 minus 12. 63 minus 12, and we have 51. Are you still there? Question 9. Find the average of 6, 8, 10, and 12. Average means that you sum up all the numbers together and you divide it by the number of numbers. Does that make sense to you? By the amount of numbers there. Something is flying, excuse me. Oh. Sorry, there was this flying insect disturbing me. I will get it. Yeah, I got it. See, that's why your words are powerful. Always say the right words. I said I will get it and I got it. Okay, find the average of 6, 8, 10, and 12. Now I have to wash my hand. 6, 8, 10, and 12. Okay, so the average means you have to sum up those numbers together and divide them by the number of the numbers. Okay, don't get confused. So we are going to sum up this, and divide them by how many numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Does that make sense now? So 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 4. So 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 10, 24. 24 plus 12, 36, right? 36 divided by 4. That will give you 9. That's our correct option. Question 10. What is the place value of 5 in 3,572? What is the place value of 5? Now, what's the place value of 2? First of all, units. What about 7? Tens. What about 5? 100. What about 3? Thousands. Right. 3 is thousand. 5 is what? 100. So that is what? 500. And if you want to break it down, you can also say 3,500, oh sorry, uh, 570 and 2. By the time you add this up together, you have 3572, right? So the place value is 100. Question 11. Convert 3 hours to minutes. How many minutes is in 3 hours? That's the question in simple term. Now, first of all, to know how many minutes is in 3 hours, you have to know how many minutes is in 1 hour. 1 hour. So 1 hour has how many minutes? 60 seconds make 1 minute. 60 minutes make 1 hour. So 1 hour has 60 minutes. So 3 hours, we have how many minutes? Remember, we did something like this before. 3 hours, we have how many minutes? Just multiply it. 60 minutes by 3 hours. 60 times 3. 6 times 3 is what? 18. So that is 180 minutes. Are you there? Question 12.
Run quick tests and analysis. Visit analysis.africa.
A rectangle has a length of 8 cm and width of 5 cm. Length, okay, 8 cm and width 5 cm. Find its area. What's the area for rectangle? Or the area of a rectangle? Area of a rectangle, let's denote area by A. Area is equal to what? Length times width, or length times breadth. So 8 times 5 will give you what? 8 times 5, and that will give you 40 centimeters square. Alright, why? Because centimeter will also multiply centimeter to give you centimeter raised to power 2. So this is your answer. 13. What is 1 over 5? Remember I told you earlier that off means what? Multiplication. 1 over 5 of 45. So you multiply 1 by 45. That will give you what? 45 over 5. 45 divided by 5. 5 in 5, 1. 5 in 45, 9. Right? Because 5 can go in the numerator and denominator. So you have 9 over 1, which is equals to 9. Good. Question 14 now. Solve 84 divided by 7. 84 divided by 7. You can do this by making strokes. You can count strokes, count up to 84, then you divide by 7. You can check your multiplication table, table 7 or row 7, okay, and see how many times you can count before you get to 84, right? You can also use the simple division method, okay. 7 in 8, 1. 7 times 1, 7. 8 minus 7, 1. Bring 4 down. 7 in 14, 2. 7 times 2, 14. 14 minus 14, 0. That's the end. So our answer is what? 12. 15. If today is Monday, what day will it be in 3 days' time? If today is Monday, assuming today is Monday, 3 days' time. So 3 days time: Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Good. See that these are simple questions. 16. Find the LCM of 4 and 6. LCM 4 and 6. What is LCM? Lowest common multiple. So what is the lowest common multiple of these two? So 2 in 4. We're going to start with 2, of course. 2. 2 in 6. Why are we starting with 2? Can you tell me why we are starting with 2? That's your second class work. You must do it. If you watch this one, you don't do it. If I catch you, you must do it. 2 in 3, 6, 3. Can 2 still go? Yes, 2 can go here, or cannot go here. So we still use it because it can go at least once. So 1, 2 can't go here. So bring it back down. 3 can go in 3. Okay, so bring our 1 down. 3 in 3, 1. So we have 1, 1, nothing else to divide. So now this is our LCM here. So what's our LCM? 2 times 2 times 3. So 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 3, 12. 17. A bag contains 5 red balls and 3 blue balls. How many balls are there together? 5 red ball, 3 blue ball. 5 plus 3 will give you what? 8. 8 balls. So 8 balls are there together inside the bag. 18. Simplify 1000 minus 478. Okay. Now this is simple as well. So let's move our 1 from here because 0 cannot, you cannot subtract 8 from 0. So we'll move our 1, bang, 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 yeah. Okay. Once we have move our 1 from here, we remove 1 from 10. Remove 1 from 10. What is left here? This is 9. Okay. We put that 1 here, we remove 1 from here. What is left here? 9 as well. So this one is now 10. 10 minus 8, 2. Okay. So now we have 9 here. 9 minus 7, 2. And we have 9 here. 9 minus 4, 5. 5, 2, 2. Question 19. How many sides does the hexagon have? Now, hexagon has 7 sides. 7 sides. And hexagon has 7 sides. That's a simple one. What about pentagon? What about nonagon? What about octagon? Okay. In the comment section, let me know how many sides does a pentagon has and a nonagon. Those two. Let me know in the comment section. Question 20. Multiply 14 by 3. 14 by 3 is what? 14 times 3. You can go to your multiplication table, or you can add 14 3 times. 14 plus 14 plus 14. That will give you 42. Okay. Wow. With that, we come to the end of first batch of our 20 questions. So I'm going to split this video now. Then we're going to come back to take the remaining 20 questions. I hope you enjoyed yourself. I did. I enjoyed those questions. Remember that if you have questions, you should use the comment section to ask me and I will take them. Okay. Also, let me know where you watched this video from and the name of your school. I just might visit you one day. See you in another video or see you in the next one. Bye. Hi, I'm sure you enjoyed the video you just watched. To see more content as that, prepare you for your upcoming exam, make sure to smash the subscribe button and turn on notification. Also, remember that you can use the comment section to send us your questions or your inquiries, and we are happy to take them. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.